Hello everyone, my name is Selfia Sanarain. I have completed my graduation in English Literature from Banaras Hindu University. I have qualified CUET exams in 2023 for my master's exams, and right now I'm pursuing my master's in Linguistics Science of Language from Banaras Hindu University. I have 2+ year experience of teaching. I mentor 1000 plus students for boards and many other exams. I used to teach English, literature, and grammar from class 9 to class 12 for CBSE boards and other state boards. I'm an English language and soft skill trainer in FEA. मैं आपके लिए SSC CGL इंग्लिश कॉम्प्रिहेंशन प्रिपेयर करने के लिए 100 आवर्स का कंटेंट प्लान लाई हूँ. And here we have some strategy to plan. So let's talk about the syllabus of it. We have reading comprehension, in which you will get passages. We have idioms and phrases. We have one word substitutions. We have sentence corrections, active and passive, spelling correction, fill in the blanks, sentence rearrangements, and synonyms and antonyms. So we are going to cover this syllabus in 2 months. So let's talk about the exam pattern. So basically we are going to cover that English comprehension parts in that, and we are going to set the strategies and approaches to get success. So first of all, I would like to share the strategy which we are going to use to complete the syllabus in 2 months. First one is understand the syllabus. That is very much important. We are going to cover the syllabus. Before that, we should understand what is the syllabus and how and which approach are we going to use. And then we are going to work on regular reading practice, because practice is important to solve the passages and other grammatical questions in given time. Then we are going to practice comprehension passages, and we are going to work on vocabulary enhancement. We are going to improve our vocabulary. If we are going to improve our vocabulary, then definitely we will be finding easy to cover the part of passages and other sentence structure. And then there will be mock test and previous year question papers, and we are going to work on a time management as well. You have to build your critical reading skills so that you can solve the passages in given time, and you can save your time for the difficult questions as well. Like there will be mathematical question as well, numerical and other things. So if our reading comprehension will be good, you will get enough time to solve those numerical questions. Here from 1 to 5 we will be understanding the passages. There will be different types of passages. If I talk about in the passages, we have to work on part of speech like simile, metaphor, hyperbole. So for simile, like your voice is sweet as honey, so where we are using as and like, this will be a simile. We will be having some tricks so that we will track what is simile and what is metaphor. Then we will work on idiom and phrases like once in a blue moon. It means very rarely. When we find something very rarely, it can be related to your habit, and sometimes it can be asked in the passages only, like find any phrases or idioms from the passage. So these things will be helpful. We are going to cover as many as idiom and phrases we can cover in these 2 months. Then we have bite the bullet. It means to endure a painful experience or face a situation with courage. And then we have next, for the next week we have plan. For week 3 and 4, we will be working on one word substitutions and sentence correction. So 21 to 25, we will be introduction and there will be introduction and explanation of one word substitution with examples like jubilant. It means showing great joy and satisfaction. So there will be some tricks which can helpful in the examination. Then we will be working on strategies for choosing the correct word. It will come into the words one word substitutions, and then we will be practice the questions related with that, and then we will review and we will see our improvements. And the most important things, like last time also many question came in SSC CGL with this topic, that is active and passive and spelling correction. So we will be working on techniques for active and passages. Basically you have to work on tense, and I'm going to cover all the grammar topics in this 2 months program. So we will be approaching some techniques for active and passive, and we will be mastering and correction the word, and practice sessionals will be there. We will review and enhancement, and then we have using the antonyms, expanding the vocabulary, synonyms and antonyms, practices, vocabulary enhancement. Basically we are going to cover these things with the help of previous year question papers and syllabus. And in week 8 we are going to work on our grammar and revision. So grammar improvement sessions will be there where we will improve and clear the concept or grammar. We are going to clear the concept, like noun, pronoun, other things. We will be clearing that in that class. Then we will review of key concept of grammar, and then full length practice test will be there so that you can improve, and final revision and strategy refinement. Now I'm going to explain what are we going to cover in the grammar portion. So the first one is that tense, because if your tense will be clear, then definitely your active passive direct indirect speech is going to be clear. So tense is very important in grammar section, not only in SSCGL, in any other examination. Sometimes like if I talk about last year question paper, so there were many questions which was related to tense in the passages as well. We're going to cover that, and we are going to work on determiners. Then we are going to explain noun, pronoun, adjective, verbs, adverbs, and then we will be practicing for 91 to 95 hours. We will be doing practicing, and there will be some practice tests, mock tests, so that you can improve. I hope this video will be helpful to you. I will try my best to cover all the topics which is related to English comprehension. Alright, bye bye, take care.